Hey guys, hey miners. Today I'm going to be doing a nature documentary because my neighbor's lawn is so big. So we put our teeny beanie boos in it. So we're going to do a nature documentary on them. Let's get right into the video.
No, your piece is not showing.
We're starting off. It's the purple cheetah. It's eating like
And even Mickey!
even Mickey's attacking it. Now it's the rainbow.
Even Mickey was
Now we found.
here. Shaky the killer!
Now we found a magical rainbow cheetah. Look, it's two house dogs hidden in the jungle.
They're evil predators.
Hiding in the jungle.
Evil Mickey, and bow to me.
Our
Like and
casting
subscribe
crew.
and hit the
Jack.
like button.
Ah!
Jake. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe.
Me, glamorous and glamour. Oh, and whiskers.
Fluffy. And the killer Mickey.
And Sam.
Fluffy.
And
Sam. And Maya.
Maya. That's all for our nature documentary.
Like and subscribe. If you don't like, we'll catch you and kill you.